for tomorrow and to the next day.
That much?
Yeah,
That much? That can go for tomorrow?
maybe. You turn this on?
No, when you brush against it, for that. It's all on tight, so. It's like half teaspoon, tablespoon. Yeah, about.
Regular spoon,
That's a
Oh,
regular.
is it self-raising flour?
It's all purpose.
All purpose?
And that's a self-rising. So. You use self-rising?
Me use Pillsbury.
I know you use Pillsbury, but what Pillsbury? I know.
All purpose.
Well, I use gold meal today. Sugar. You know, you can put like a nutmeg in there.
Yeah.
Oh. See, I'm not bad. I don't know to put nutmeg in mine. Every time I put nutmeg, you know.
Try the cinnamon. Cinnamon
Yeah,
is much
nutmeg
better.
or cinnamon to put in. If I not have nutmeg, me use my cinnamon. I always use cinnamon. Because them say good for you. Not to go wrong.
Me no measure, me just put. I go with my grandmother. Okay, normally when I use like cold milk, but we don't have no cold milk. Oh, I use my hands clean. I wash it already.
You know where I use cold milk?
Yeah, me normally use cold milk, but we don't have no regular milk. So I really try it with almond milk or so. Maybe should have tried it.
I tried with it before, man. I didn't.
You know, there are certain things.
Yeah.
As if it's, yeah.
Maybe come on. The Jamaican fried dumplings are great to grandchildren. You still can't eat with it. I know.
Sometimes it hurt, but you know, not like I keep on under the cold
When
water.
it's cool, yeah. You put up your pill there, mommy?
Yeah. What is
Yes, you can lock the door now with the lock. Your room door. Yeah, I feel like it. Because you go in there every bag.
This is the same thing? Same flour,
Yeah,
right?
same flour. It's just that was in the bag.
Okay, let's cover it and make it.
You cover it with
You can cover it with plastic.